Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit group policy and then get it in Windows 11. Now, the first thing you should know is that edit group policy is something that's only available in Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. So if you have a Windows 11 Home and or Single, you won't be able to access this setting, right? So if I go to System here and I want to go to About, you can see what kind of Windows we all have. So right now I only have a Windows 11 Home single language version, right? So that means I won't have group policy. Now, the only way you can get group policy is obviously to purchase a Windows 11 Pro Edition or Enterprise Edition, right? There is a method that I see go around where you can add in a group policy with a command prompt, right? I asked ChatGPT here as well to ask how to do it, but recently this method doesn't work anymore, I think, right? Because the file isn't also available on Windows 11 Home, right? So there's no file. And if you try to copy the file from Windows 11 Pro back to Windows 11 Home, it won't be able to snap on correctly, right? So right here. So the snap in could not be added. There is an external app that could enable you to do this, but I think that's tethering a little bit on piracy, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. So unfortunately, the only way you can do this is to get a Windows 11 Pro, right? And then you can search on the search bar down here, right? On the search bar down here, you can just search edit group policy and the command will come up right here, and you can just press on open up here to open group policy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.